guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be taste testing a bunch of random Takis. Like, if you haven't heard of Takis, they are spicy tortilla chips and I actually really like them. So yeah, we're about to taste all the types of flavors that they have. I don't know if these are all the flavors that they have, but it's a variety of different Takis. Let's just say that. So if you guys are interested to see this mukbang type video, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and let's get right into the video. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm gonna have to put out a disclaimer that if I keep closing my eyes, it's because I'm having issues on this eye. Like, it just started not that long ago and it just really, I think I scratched like my actual eye. I'm not sure what is going on, but it really is bugging me, so I'm actually not in a great mood right now, but hopefully the Takis get me in a better mood. But yeah, I just had to say that's why I'm like kind of squinting and stuff, because I can't really see myself in the viewfinder right now. So I don't know how I look. I probably look really crazy. So we're gonna get started. I'm actually gonna start with the regular Takis. This is actually a small bag because I got it in like a big box. They actually come in bigger bags than this. But in case you guys never seen Takis, this is what it looks like. Really, I love anything that has like a lemon or lime flavor. I think I said that in one of my mukbangs before. So, ooh, that one's really spicy. Okay, so this is what a Taki looks like. You guys know. It's like a rolled up tortilla kind of chip. Honestly, Takis are freaking spicy though. Are Takis spicy to you or no? Oh my god, this one says habanero. No way. To me, they're actually really freaking spicy. Like, I can eat hot Cheetos, like a whole bag, and be fine. But after even like one Taki, I'm like, this is a little spicy. And like, I can't go through a whole bag without drinking water or something. I think I've tried that before. Not a good idea. In the end, maybe I'll give my complete summary on which one was my favorite or least favorite. Oh wow, these are like knockoff Takis, unless these were out first, but this is the next bag I'm gonna try. It's basically like, it's advertising to be kind of like the same thing in a sense, but it's not Takis. Oh my god, that smells... That is a lot of lime. It doesn't even smell like regular Takis. It doesn't. They're really red though. Can you see inside there? I hope you guys can see because I can't. Okay, let's go. They're the same exact thing. They're just really red. I don't know why I keep smelling it. I don't know. Okay. These are sour. This is my kind of thing though. Like, it's so, whenever I have like salad or something and the base is like vinegar, salt, and oil, or lime, salt, and oil, either or, I put a bunch of lime or vinegar, whatever it's with, and salt. I make my salad really sour. This is my kind of chips. It doesn't have the spice. Like, Takis are way more spicy than this. But I wonder, if you guys know, did these come out first or did Takis come out first? Who copied who? It honestly tastes like a healthier kind of Taki. Chips that come in that kind of bag like that is not shiny as like the matte bag. You tend to think that they're like the healthier chips, right? Do you? Because I do. Because typically that is the bags that the healthier chips come in. Okay, so I'm looking at these right now. It says nitro, habanero. First of all, habanero pepper is actually freaking spicy. I'm leaving this to last. Yeah, I'm gonna go for these next. These are Takis. I've never ever tried these actually. These are crunchy fajitas. So maybe they're not as spicy. Maybe they taste more like fajitas. I don't know. Let's see what the difference is. Oh, they smell more like they have like taco seasoning. You know what taco like that? It smells like fajita. It smells like Mexican food, honestly. And they're not as red. They're not spicy either. I like this flavor. It does have like that fajita kind of like seasoning, so I like that. So I have these two. I'm gonna get these out the way because these are not really Takis. They're advertised to be the same kind of flavor as Takis. And this one kind of looks like it copied off of the whole aesthetic. So we're gonna try these two. I'm gonna try this one first. All of these have like lime. Well, the ones that are not Takis they also have like lime and pepper, so it's like advertising the same kind of thing. So I'm gonna compare them to like the original Takis. It's only right that I compare them to the original. So these look like this. Y'all, this scratch in my eye, like I think it's called the cornea, right? Like the actual, like where your eye actually starts. I think that's what it's called. That's what I scratched, like the really edge of, like at the edge of it, you kind of see like a little like dash or something. And then like this whole outer part turned red earlier. I don't know what happened, but honestly, it didn't start hurting or really bother me until a little bit after I was done with my makeup. So I'm just like, I didn't just do anything like to my eye. Like I did my entire makeup look and everything, and then all of a sudden I just felt like my eyeball actually hurts, and I just felt like something, like it kind of felt like something was inside of my eye, and I kept looking. I didn't see anything. I have no eye drops either, so after I take off my makeup, I'm just gonna flush my eye out really good and maybe just leave it alone. It feels really good when I have my eyes closed. Like if I have my eyes closed for a long time, it feels fine. It's really annoying. I've never had issues with my eyes, like, so I'm frustrated. But anyway, enough of that. These are like twists, so they're not like the rolled up tortilla, and I don't think these are like tortilla chips either. I don't like the taste too much, like the aftertaste. What I've noticed is between like these two, the imitation Takis, they have more of the lemon or lime kind of taste. This one tastes like it has artificial lemon, like lemon, not even lime. It tastes like it has artificial lemon, and you don't taste like the spiciness. Like it's a little spicy, but it's nothing compared to Takis. Takis, nothing. Okay. Now I'm gonna try these, and these are Artisan style kettle cooked. I love kettle cooked chips. It just makes me feel like I'm doing something right, you know? Like, I know chips are unhealthy, but guess what? These are kettle cooked, so it's not that unhealthy. Hair flip. Did I eat breakfast? Oh, I did, okay. It's like 7 p.m. and I'm over here asking myself, did I eat breakfast? So these are just like regular chips. Regular chips. These mastered the Takis flavor, but it just tastes healthier. But I'm not even gonna take another one because I'm telling you it mastered it. That means, yeah, there's a kick. There's a kick. But honestly, it tastes good. Like, it's really good. I like these though. I like that flavor. Honestly, ooh. Did you guys watch my my mukbang where I tried weird food combinations? So remember I tried, if you did watch that video, or if you didn't, I'm gonna tell you anyways. I tried hot Cheetos with cream cheese or sour cream. One of those two. And honestly, these would be so bomb with that, with cream cheese. So bomb. I'm gonna go for these. Again, I've never tried these. Honestly, the only chips in this entire video that I have tried are just the regular purple bag Takis. Other than that, I've never tried any of these. So I'm gonna try these Takis now. And these are the guacamole flavor. I am obsessed with guacamole. I can eat chips and guac every single day, honestly. And I have been. It's just not good, but I could do that. Ooh, these are green. And I ripped the bag, but they're really green. Okay, do you guys remember like years and years and years ago, they had guacamole chips, like it was the newest thing, right? And they came in like a dark green bag, and then another version of them came out, like another company came out with the same guacamole chips, but it was in like a light green bag, and it was like a lot thinner. But I'm talking about the dark, this smells just like it, reminds me. I'm talking about the dark green bag, the guacamole chips. Those were my thing, like, and then I don't know what happened or what they found in it or something. Like, I used to eat those a lot. They just stopped selling them. I think they found lead in them or something. Something weird. I don't know, y'all, but those are my ish. But hopefully this tastes kind of like it to take me back. What the heck is the point of this? This has no flavor to me. It tastes mad green, like when you just eat it. Like, I don't like these. And that's really disappointing because I thought these were going to be my favorite because I love guacamole. But now, I'm going to try these. And these say that it's new. So I'm excited. These are called Takis Wild, and they're called spicy buffalo tortilla chips. I love buffalo. Buffalo wings, A1. Oh, these kind of look like orangey, like orange. It smells like buffalo, but it smells weird. I mean, obviously these are like regular Takis. Okay, they're spicy. Yeah, see, like you feel you taste the kick after. I'm not sure if it tastes like buffalo. I'm not sure if it tastes like buffalo. It doesn't taste like buffalo to me. I think Takis should just stick to their Takis and call it a day. That's the only flavor chips that has flavor in it. Like, this is just very mild. It really doesn't taste, and this says wild, not mild, so it's not supposed to be mild. Like, the flavor is mild. The spiciness you get after. This and the guacamole ones have similar, like the flavor is to the same extent. These are my last bag, you guys. Habanero and lime. Habanero is spicy to me. They don't smell spicy. These look so aggressive. Like, I don't know if you can see in the bag. They look so, like, mad. Don't laugh at me saying how does chips look mad, but like they just look so aggressive. So you know something not healthy when the first thing is first ingredient is corn flour processed with the lime. Regular Takis here, nothing different. I'm really scared about these. Please don't be spicy. The heck? Okay, these are good. These are really, really good. They have a lot of flavor. They're not spicy. Like, honestly, the original Takis are the most spicy I've tried, honestly. So they have a kick to it. It's honestly a little bit spicy. It depends on your spicy tolerance. I don't have a huge spicy tolerance, but these aren't spicy to me. They're spicy, but honestly, I feel like they're probably even less spicy than hot Cheetos. So they're not really spicy at all. It just has like the habanero flavor, which is awesome because the habanero flavor is just like regular, like, honestly, it's like a regular bell pepper in a sense-ish. It just has like that fresh kind of taste. So these are yummy, and it tastes like the habanero and lime, which is great. It's not, oh God, okay, this one's really red. It has just a lot of lime. And it has like the habanero like flavor, but it's not the spicy part of the flavor. If you were to tell me that this was one of like the knockoff Takis, I would believe you. We've reached the end of the Takis taste test. Here's the verdict. The regular original Takis are the spiciest ones for a fact. The second spiciest ones are probably these ones right here. But they also taste like healthy Takis made into like potato chip. These are some great Takis knockoffs. This tastes weird. And as far as the flavor Takis, the nitro tastes the best, then the fajita, and then the buffalo, and then the guacamole. So the guacamole out of everything is probably my least favorite. It probably goes hand in hand with these ones. And then my most favorite is Takis, like the original Takis. The purple bag right here. These are like my most favorite, along with the knockoffs, which is this one, and then this one. Again, the little twisty ones, they're just weird tasting. They just taste, I think they taste really processed. I forgot which one I said tastes really processed. I think it was those though. And yeah, that's the verdict. I think there are more Takis. Honestly, I think there are more flavors, or at least different color bags, like more than these. So maybe I need to do like a part 2 if there's enough for me to do a part 2. Have you guys tried Takis at all? I don't know if they sell them everywhere. I think they do. Yeah, because there was that TikTok challenge, right? With the jalapeno and the cream cheese, and then you put the Taki in the middle. I remember seeing people doing that challenge, so everybody must have tasted Takis by now. But if you tasted any of these flavors, let me know if you like any of them better than the original. I think the original is bomb. Like, when Takis first, I think they just came out not that long ago, like a couple years ago, and I was just always eating them. I prefer hot Cheetos still, but Takis are really, really yummy. But yeah, that is the end of this taste test. So if you guys like these kinds of videos, because this is kind of like a new series, you know, then let me know. And if you guys want me to try something else, let me know. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!